going on, y'all? It is currently 5 o'clock in the morning, getting ready to pull in. It is opening day of gun season in eastern Kentucky, and hopefully we can lay the hammer down. And I usually hunt gun season with my Marlin 30-30, but I have a 1943 Mosin Nagant chambered in 7.62 by 54R. I'm going to try to lay the smack down on one. It is a beater. I mean, I got it from somebody who got it from somebody, and somebody tried welding a sight rail on one, well, on it, and it ended up coming off. So now it's only got the iron sights, but I was hitting pumpkins at 100 yards with it, so hopefully I can lay the smack down on one, and I guess we'll see how it goes. I'll pick y'all back up whenever I get here.
I've been thinking about myself today, thinking how I changed, how I really don't care if you are here or if you don't stay. Now I'm feeling those winter blues, but I don't wanna cry. All we ever do is laugh it off, and I'm sick and I don't know why. Do you remember that night we met? I thought you looked so fine. Guess we have to agree to disagree for this one last time.
Alright, y'all, I made it. Don't think y'all can see it, but this is the gun. And I've got a little bit of a walk, so let's get it. Alright, y'all, I'm in the stand. I couldn't get much other video because it's just so dark. Couldn't see nothing. I didn't feel like shining a light. But I'm up here, and we're gonna wait till daylight. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I just got out of the stand and getting ready to walk over here and see if I can't find any blood. Might be able to walk over to the creek and see if it's in the creek. So let's see. I cannot see anything that would like tell me, hey, I was standing right here when you shot me. But if you look through them trees, you can see the stand, and it shot right through this hole. So it would have to be somewhere around here. But went running through this way, so I guess I'll just kind of follow it to where I last seen it. I see it. I found it, y'all. You might be able to see it. It's right there. So it looks like I'm getting wet today. Didn't want to, but I figured that was gonna happen. So I need to at least go get the truck and the four-wheeler with the winch so I can winch it up out of there. But, yep, it's right there. All right, I'm gonna go get that truck. And y'all, when I walked over there to try to find where I shot it at, I walked it out about 315 feet, and of course I had to go around the bushes and stuff, so I was right at 100 yards with iron sights. This thing did a number on it. An old beater, Mosin Nagant. Somebody tried welding a scope rail on there at one time. Laid the hammer down to it. Oh well, let's get the truck and the four-wheeler. All right. Now it's time to drag the winch down there, which is gonna be fun. I should have grabbed my gloves so the winch don't cut me, but oh well, I guess. All right, let's try to get down here without falling. Guess I'll just hold on to this winch cable. I hope these leaves ain't real thick and just, yeah. All right, I'm down here. Let's roll these pants in. Maybe at least just tuck them in. Hopefully it don't get deeper than my boots. Guess it's a good thing I bought waterproof. Woo! And of course it has to be in a deep spot. No, come on. All right. Daggone. Jeez. You know what's cool? This thing floats, so it drags fairly easy in the water. Daggone. Did a number on it, didn't it? Let's get it up out of here and I'll look at the other side. All right. Oh yeah, it's coming right along. I'll tell you what, this winch comes in handy. I would have hated to have drugged this thing up that. I absolutely would have hated to have to drag this thing up that hill. All right, it's close enough. I'm going to back up into this field. All right. Get this winch off of your neck. Let's flip you over here and look what we did. Okay, well that leg's completely broken. And that's kind of crazy if that did that, but flip you over. Where'd you go in at? Right there. Tiny little hole. Tiny. It's about dime size. And comes out and rips the whole other shoulder off. That's crazy. It's not a bad sized deer. All right. Thank you, Lord. Let's get this thing gutted. All right. For y'all that don't know how to gut a deer, I am by far not the person to teach you because I am no pro whatsoever. But what I got is a buck knife and good old Klein just in case. Now, those of you that know me know that I can't eat deer meat. I got bit by a tick. You're like, why? Why are you even killing them then? Well, because my wife's grandparents like deer meat. My dad likes deer meat. My in-laws like deer meat. And a lot of them, they just don't want to go hunting. Or they don't have time, or I'm helping people that can't. So that's crazy. There's blood coming out of the fur right here. There's a hole. That's weird. Maybe not, I don't know. All right. Definitely not a pro, guys. So slit the first layer of skin. You don't want to get in that gut sack because nobody likes that. I cut down toward the pelvis. Uh-oh, got in the milk sack. Anyways, I got it done. So let's go rinse her out. Just laid the hammer down on it. I make it look small. I mean, it's not massive, but I make it look a little smaller than what it is.